franchise like I'm Irish. Going to shop for that fly shit. If it's private, I'm flying it. If I like it, I'm buying it. If it's foreign, I'm driving it. If it's potent, I'm smoking it. That 69 interior looks